To check your transaction history on Gmail, you can easily access your Google account and review your activity. Follow these steps to find your transaction details. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access Google Pay. Once signed in, navigate to Google Pay by typing Google.com in the address bar. This is where your transaction history is stored. Step 3. View activity. On the Google Pay homepage, look for the Activity or Transactions section. Click on it to see a list of all your recent transactions linked to your Gmail account. Step 4. Filter transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filtering options available. You can filter by date, type of transaction, or specific merchants to find what you need more easily. Step 5. Review details. Click on any transaction to view more details. This will provide you with information such as the date, amount, and merchant involved in the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history linked to your Gmail account. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Google's help resources for more assistance.